Alright, this is good. The little gasket, what was left of the gasket is completely gone. It's totally fried and blown out. The little piece of metal, you know, it's got that little piece of metal that, the little circle that fits right there. That's totally gone, so that must have cracked and blown out as well. So there's nothing there. Ah, okay. Well, I knew it was bad. I didn't know it was that bad. Alright, we're all bolted in down there. And we got this guy all bolted back in. Just loosened this side. These pipes are fairly flexible. Didn't have to undo both sides. I did find that these bolts were actually a little bit loose. It's a good thing I came back here to tighten them up. Anyway, probably have to do the other side too. It's only a matter of time before that one blows out. Okay, well, let's get it put back together again and test it. Alrighty, another good thing coming back here. I noticed that I've got a little, I don't know if you can see a little shininess right here. It's gasoline. Anyway, back right down in there where my finger is. Looks like I forgot to put a clamp on this and it's leaking. So I got a little bit of gas coming out right there. And I have a clamp though, so I'll fix that. Alright, there we go. Got that fixed. Thought I'd go with a little heart music today while working in the garage. Alright, let's take it for a spin. Well, let's fire these single dells up and see what happens. Oh, I can notice the difference already. Lots of clanking. Let's go see what's clanking. Maybe it's just the sheet metal scraping against itself. You can see a little something whizzing out against my fingers right there. It's not too bad. Anybody knows how to make those things better, you just let me know. How's this one doing? Seems to be leaking about as much as the other one. Alright, so this is interesting. Alright, get it all bolted up and whatnot, and then take it out for a little bit of a ride. It all seems to be good like that, but something is squeaking. Always something, you know. I'm not sure what's doing that. Something's not that happy back here. I wasn't doing that until I fixed this thing, so who knows. Alright, I found it. I don't know if you can see where my fingers are. This little piece of the body right there, where my thumb is, it's kind of bent down a little bit and it's rubbing against the muffler. So I think that's my squeak right there. I'll do a little bending, see what happens. Alright, I undid my bolts here just to give myself a little bit of clearance. And, can I see it? Yeah, right up in here. Hopefully that's enough because I can't really bend it too much more than that. Let's see if it works. Alright, it's not perfect. But it was touching. What have I got? Maybe 3/16 of an inch of clearance. That should help. All right, let's see how we've done for noise and clanking. It misses. That's not too bad. Okay.